What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if NFC is not working in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all make sure you have enabled NFC. So to check this, open settings and click on connections. Now in connections, here you will see a NFC and contactless payments button. So turn on this button to turn on NFC. And after turning on this button, NFC will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your device. So to restart, scroll down and click on this power icon. And here click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to confirm, and after restarting your phone the NFC will start working. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then check for the app updates in your phone. So to check the updates, open Play Store, click on your profile icon and then click on manage apps and device. Now here click on updates available option, and from here if you have any update of a app pending, then click on update all, or you can update every app one by one. So from here update all the apps to use NFC. Now after updating apps, if you are still facing the issue, then update your mobile software. So to do this, open settings, scroll down and click on software update, and then click on download and install. And from here update your mobile software to latest version, and after updating your mobile software to the latest version, the NFC will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.